Hello everyone, today I'm doing a cabin crew French twist hair video. Before I start doing my hair, I always drink some water or tea so that I don't get stressed out when it starts messing up. I struggled with this hairstyle a lot in the very beginning, especially now when I have super long hair, so I hope this video helps you. So first off, here's a bag of my hair tools. First I have a hairbrush. Next I have a water spray bottle, bobby pins and hair slide. You also need a rat tail comb. Make sure you get a long comb, and of course hairspray. The one I have in my bag is when I'm night stopping or traveling. I have the bigger one here when I'm at home. This is optional, but you might need a hair tie. I'm brushing all of my hair to the back, and leave your bangs if you want to have it in front or at the side. Since I want my French twist to flow with the direction of my bangs, I'm going to twist my hair counterclockwise. But if your bangs flow the other side, twist it clockwise. Use one hand to twist your hair and the other hand to hold it in place. And when you can't twist anymore, just push all your hair to the front. Now you have all the loose ends, and twist your hair until it becomes like a donut shape, and twist it to the front to hide more loose ends. And at this point you're gonna need a few bobby pins to put it in place. I always use at least 4 bobby pins so that the donut won't move. Now that the donut is in place, tilt your head sideways and just comb all the hair to the front. If you want your bangs to have more volume, tease your hair, and you can also hairspray it at this point, but I'm not going to. Now I'm just going to comb my bangs and spray some water so that the baby hairs don't get everywhere. I actually learned this from my senior crew, but if you spray your hair with water first, you're going to save time when you hairspray. If you have long bangs, take a bobby pin and place it behind your ear to conceal the bangs. Take the loose ends of your bangs and just slide it into the back of your French twist, and you can also push it with the rat tail comb. Now you have to secure your French twist with either bobby pins or, in my case, a hair slide. Now I'm taking a small mirror just to check how my hair is doing. And this is a good idea to do because you don't know how it looks at the back. Now I'm spraying more water so that my baby hairs won't be too messy. The final step is to hairspray and you're done. I'll be showing you how to spray your hair at the end of the video. Blasting playpen in the daytime. Now that I'm done with my hair and makeup, I'm gonna put on my watch. Wearing a watch is mandatory for us cabin crews. Here I have my Pandora bracelet. We're not allowed to wear dangling charms, so here are some of my charms. Lastly is my ring, and also not forgetting my company name tag. From 10 to 6 a.m. and no one knows how to stop them. So the final step is to use hairspray, but I'm not really going for flight today. Just going to show you a little bit how I use it. I usually use a huge hairspray for when I'm at home because it has, doesn't really fit the LED requirements, but you can always check in your bag if you want to bring a big one. I do a spray from far. And yeah, that's it. I don't really spray too much because you can get bald if you use too much hairspray. No worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. No worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Thanks everyone for watching my video, and I hope you managed to do your French twist. Let's get girly. Have a safe flight and I'll see you in my next video.